Hi all, a lot of you guys will face this issue as I have faced this issue. So this is motherboard a B550M from Gigabyte, and the issue I face is whenever I install the NVMe in M.2 slot, the motherboard does not detect the NVMe as you can see on the screen. Let me show you. So there is no boot sequence, and in the M2 second there is no NVMe detected. So the first thing I thought maybe it's the issue with the motherboard or NVMe slot is not working properly, so maybe I need to change the motherboard. But this is not an issue with the NVMe slot or with the motherboard, or changing any setting won't help you, as I have tried several settings from the motherboard and updating BIOS also, it won't work. So only one thing you need to do is change your NVMe. So the NVMe installed is not compatible with the motherboard. Let me change it for you and show you the other NVMe will work. So this is the NVMe I am going to install. I am not temporary installing the screw as I am showing it to you guys. So this NVMe is installed, and let me show you on the screen. So as the NVMe is working fine and it's detected. So just change your NVMe and don't get worried.